Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your wallet name into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet application. And after opening the application, you will get to see this 4 circles icon into the top left corner. Tap to that and then select your profile. Now, after going into here, you will directly get the option of wallet name at very top. Tap to that and then you will get this option of custom name. Tap to custom name and then you can easily name your wallet from this section. I'm naming it personal wallet for now, and then simply tap to confirm and your wallet name will be changed. This way you can very easily change your wallet name on Bitget. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.